Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How going? Sorry. How you doing? Is it better door open or closed? Okay. Okay. My name's Jacob. I do videos on YouTube. Could you tell me? Okay. Could you give me a rundown real quick first of what all's in here?
I got 6 SoundCube HDX 315s on a Terramps MD 5K or 12K. Sorry.
Okay.
And then I got a CES 380 amp alternator on some junk that has some batteries.
Okay. So you used to be 6th order and you like 4th order more, is my guess?
It was 4th order before.
Okay.
And it basically was just blowing through the window.
Oh, okay.
The window out, and I had a little slot port.
Oh, that's good.
Now I went from 200 and something square inches of port to like 600 and something.
Really?
680, something like that.
Oh, but it's a 4th order.
Yep, 4th order.
All right. What do you wire to on your amp?
0.7.
0.7? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
0.7 on the amp.
How's your electrical?
Not great.
Not great? No. But you get to play, so.
Oh yeah, I'll play it a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Let's see what we got here. Play what I know sounds good. My CT sound based on it's about to crap out, so okay. Luckily they got plenty of them out here. Watching you is all that I can. Something to me, and I've been in a day. We put a meter in here a little bit ago, and I was ranging from like 22 to 67 or something like that. At about 154 decibels all around.
Really? Awesome. You happy with it?
Yeah, you know, once I get the battery situated.
Yeah, electrical?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for the demo.
It's always on a night like tonight. I think God, you can read my mind. 'Cause when you're looking real with those eyes,
So. I know. Where are you peaking at, man?
44.
24? Okay.
We put a meter in here a little bit ago, and I was ranging from like 22 to 67 or something like that. At about 154 decibels all around.
Really? Awesome. You happy with it?
Yeah, you know, once I get the battery situated.
Yeah, electrical.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for the demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.